In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Brave browser on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. First, what we have to do, just go to any browser that you already use. For example, may I use Google Chrome? Go to the search bar and search for download Brave browser. So click on it like this and open right now your official links. As you can see, it's on French language because my browser using French as the first language. Just click on the orange button. It's mean here download Brave for Windows. Click on it. And right now it's downloading, as you can see. After that, click here on the download file and then click on yes. You have to wait to download. And right now it's installing, as you can see. So just wait, and it's done right now, and our browser is right now open it, as you can see. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.